EU AB RORO 2,850 euro net, 3 months contract, Italian flag, social security on top of that, to embark 1033. European seafarers, you might need English or you might not need English. We will put the subtitles in Italian because if you have a basic Italian, you can join this company, state-of-the-art RORO, 37,000 to 67,000 trade, European trade, Barcelona to Italy. We've made many videos about this, and we know that there is many that do not believe how is it today that you can sail in Mediterranean waters, you can join in Barcelona, Valencia, you can join in Civitavecchia in Italy. You can be very close to your family, you can have the social security, you can have 2,150 euro net, you can be on board the RORO if you're tired of the noise, of the selfies, of the tourists and the passengers. Pure RORO personnel on board, 22 ships to have perfect rotations. You can grow all the way up to Bosun. You can inform, like and subscribe today, apply crew inspector CV much faster, because then we can send the CV tomorrow morning, 19th of June. There is huge possibilities in the summertime. We take Estonian, Latvian, Lithuanian, Polish, all British, Swedish, Finnish, Croatian, Romanian, Bulgarian, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, French, français, avec pas d'anglais, mais avec l'italien. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much to you all for your time, and please apply urgently crew inspector, because we hope to have soon 200, 300, 400, 500, and if there is any European government leaders listening today, please train 25, 35, 45,000, 100,000 seafarers. Do it for yesterday, please, and do it for free. And also many different plans, like when they disembark, give them a payroll, a wage. Why? Because one seafarer equals 40k euro per year, indirect 10 more, total is 440,000, just one job. So why don't you think in Brussels one day, but apart from thinking, meeting, work. Thank you very much for your application. Bye.